Hi everyone! Today's topic is negative number. I'll show you how this strange number works, together with some rules. Okay, let's get started. Long ago, there was no answer for 2 minus 5. So some people made a new number, negative 3, and started using it. Then others followed, finding it convenient. To write negative numbers, let me use minus figure, as in video 2. People found 3 fundamental rules that strangely make correct answers. Rule 1. Negative 1 plus usual 1 is 0. They cancel out. People renamed usual 1 positive 1. Rule 2. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. It is 3 added negative 1s. Rule 3. You can apply all rules you learned, also to negative numbers. This is the distribution rule in video 3. I'll use it later. Under these rules, what is 5 plus negative 2? 2 negatives and positives cancel out. We can make it like this. 5 minus 2. What about this? Negative 5 minus negative 2. In 5 minus 2, 2 was taken away, leaving 3. So negative 2 is taken away, leaving negative 3. We can make it like this. Negative 5 plus 2. These results make the changer rule. A negative sign can be stripped away to become a sign changer. Next example. Multiplication was recently multiple additions. It is negative 6. What about this? Let's make negative 3 0 minus positive 3. And assume that the distribution rule can be used for negative numbers. No negative 2 is 0. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Then the changer rule makes minus negative 6 positive 6. Here is another changing rule for multiplication. 1 negative remains. 2 negatives cancel out. A negative sign can be stripped away to become a changer. Now, let me show you how these rules make correct answers. This calculation is a bit tough. So let's change 499 into 500 minus 1. Then times negative 1 changes the sign, while times 5 doesn't. And negative 4 plus 5 is 1. This is 100 minus 99. 001. We get the same result. Then let's change another 499 into 500 minus 1. Times negative 1 changes the sign, while times 5 doesn't. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. This is 50 minus 1, 49. The same answer again. I'm not saying it's convenient, just showing how these rules work. Go to video 2 for more. Next example. I'll do it with negative number. Stands for 76. 9 minus 7. 4 minus 6. Negative 2. This is 20 minus 2. So 18. 2 comes down. Then stands 9. 171. 8 minus 7. 2 minus 1. Once again. Stands 5. 95. 4 minus 5. It is negative 1. Keeping calm. Just stand negative 1. Negative 19. 2 minus negative 9. It's 11. 50 minus 1 is 49. We got the same result. Once again, this time changing 19 into 20 minus 1. Stands for 80 minus 4. 9 minus 8. 4 minus negative 4. 182. Stands 9. 180 minus 9. 2 minus negative 9. 11. The answer, agreed, again. If you're interested in these calculations, go to video 8. Let's see some practical example. Usually, people don't use this notation. Instead, this. People named it algebraic sum, omitting plus signs right before negative numbers, leaving this one. Just see this as an addition of 4 numbers, not subtraction, to avoid mistakes like this. Negative 3 is a number, so don't see in this way. When you calculate this, just use negative sign as a changer, omitting the plus, the changer rule again. When you multiply, just count the number of negative signs. When it is 3 or odd, the product gets negative. 2 negative signs cancel out, and the product of the magnitudes. How about this? When 4 negatives or even, make it positive. You can omit the plus on the head. Okay, let's move on to the drill. Nobody knows why -1 times -1 is +1. The only thing humanity knows is that, assuming so, it works. Don't think you must understand it. Science tells only how to predict, not why the rule is so. This video continues in video 5. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.